You've probably installed software on Windows the usual way. Open a browser, search for the app, download it, click through Setup, and repeat the same thing again and again. Now imagine doing all of that with just one simple command. That's exactly what Winget does. Winget is Microsoft's official Windows package manager. It lets you search, install, update, and manage software directly from the terminal. Fast, clean, and without all the extra steps. And the best part? It's already built into modern versions of Windows. So let's start from the beginning and see how this actually works in real life. First, open your terminal. You can use Command Prompt, PowerShell, or even Windows Terminal. Any of them will work just fine. Once you're inside, the first thing you want to do is check if Winget is already installed. Just type Winget and press Enter. If you see a list of commands, you're good to go. If not, you can install it from the Microsoft Store by installing the App Installer package. Now let's do something real. Let's search for an application. Type Winget, search, followed by the name of the app. For example, if you search for a browser like Firefox, Winget will show you a list of available packages with their names, versions, and IDs. This is important because Winget uses these IDs to install software accurately. Now, once you find the app you want, installing it is very simple. Just type Winget, install, and then the package name or ID. Press Enter, and that's it. Winget will automatically download the app, install it silently, and you don't have to click anything. No setup wizard, no next, just done. Now let's take it one step further. What if you already have apps installed and want to update everything at once? Instead of opening each app individually, you can just type Winget Upgrade. This will show all apps that have updates available. And if you want to update everything in one go, just type Winget Upgrade-All. And now your entire system updates in one command. This is where Winget really starts to feel powerful. Now let's say you installed something and later want to remove it. Same idea. Type Winget, uninstall, and then the app name. Clean removal, no leftover mess. Now here's something even more interesting. You can actually export your entire setup. Let's say you have a fresh Windows install and you want all your apps back instantly. You can create a list using Winget Export. This saves all your installed apps into a file. Then, on another system, you can use Winget Import and it will reinstall everything automatically. This is incredibly useful if you reinstall Windows often or manage multiple systems. Now, one more thing that makes Winget really nice to use. You can get detailed info about any package. Just type Winget Show and the app name. This gives you version details, publisher info, and download source. So you always know exactly what you're installing. And over time, you'll notice something. You stop using browsers to install apps. You stop wasting time clicking through installers. Everything becomes faster, cleaner, and more controlled. That's the real power of Winget. It's not just about commands. It's about simplifying how you manage software on Windows. And once you get used to it, it's really hard to go back.